Hi everybody, this is Christine at StayNTouch, and this video is part 2 on our overview of task management in Rover. In this video, I'll be specifically reviewing how to assign tasks in Rover housekeeping. In the first part of the task management video, we covered the work assignment page, which provides an overview of the current day's housekeeping activities and their assignment status. In this video, I will explain how a user would go about managing and assigning housekeeping tasks to different staff members. From the Work Assignment page in Rover, we need to select the blue Manage Worksheets button. This is the page where we determine which of our team members tackles a certain housekeeping task. Beginning from the top of the page, we have the calendar icon here. That allows us to select a date and manage a task assignment based on the date. Directly beside the calendar icon, there are two drop-down menus. The Employees drop-down menu allows us to select how many housekeepers we'd like Rover to display on the screen. The Work Type drop-down menu changes which tasks display in the left-hand column under Assigned. This list reflects the same housekeeping tasks that we reviewed on the previous page. From the Unassigned column, there is a filter icon that allows us to further specify room types, assisting the user with prioritizing certain housekeeping tasks based on a particular location or the room's front desk status. The way this page is split up is that the Unassigned column contains all of your property's rooms based on your filter specifications, and the columns immediately to the right of the page have a housekeeper's name listed at the top. Below each housekeeper's name are several sets of numbers. This top number is an amount of hours in minutes. These numbers are pulled from the tasks below and inform the user how many work hours are currently assigned to the housekeeper. So, for example, this housekeeper has 3 hours assigned to them thus far. This number would increase if we added tasks and decrease if we removed a task. The time below this indicates the number of hours assigned to the housekeeper for the day. As a result, when that number is exceeded, as is the case for M. Sanchez, the total number of hours assigned displays in red, so the user notices that this housekeeper may need to have some tasks unassigned from their daily workload. The number that displays in gray indicates the total number of tasks assigned, and changes depending on which housekeeper you are looking at. E. Smith has been assigned 3 tasks thus far, and M. Sanchez has been assigned 7. The number above the space reads 0 now, but as tasks are completed, this number will change. These details are meant to serve as an example, but by no means are meant to indicate the way your housekeeping staff will operate with Rover. Now that you know the basics, it's time to assign some tasks. Assigning a room is as easy as dragging and dropping from one column to the next. Just click Save when you are done. Please note that selecting the Reset button will return all rooms to the Unassigned column. What I'd also like to point out here is the information that displays around the room number. If we zoom in, we can take note of a couple of things that stand out right away. As you may have noticed, this number here indicates the room number. Above this, we have a variety of notes based on the room we are looking at. For comparison purposes, let's look at rooms 102 and 103. Both of these rooms are dirty. However, in the left-hand corner of the block, room 102 is marked with a Do Out note, while room 103 reads Unassigned. Don't let the unassigned note mislead you. This room is assigned to E. Smith. The unassigned note simply indicates that the room is not assigned to a future or arriving guest at this time. Room 102 is assigned to a guest, and the guest is preparing to check out, which is why the Do Out message appears here. Also, below each room number, we see the housekeeping task assigned to this room, making it clear to the housekeeper how they should prepare the room for the next guest. Lastly, if you'd like to print out copies of this page to share with your staff, you may do so by selecting the print icon. And while using Rover, if the housekeeping staff use mobile devices throughout the day and while moving about the hotel, the staff can update the housekeeping task from their mobile device. And if we return to the work management section, we can see updates as these rooms are completed and cleaned. We hope you enjoyed learning more about task management in Rover. If you have questions, you can contact a member of our support team, or you can always learn more by checking out the articles in our knowledge base. Thank you.